Hi, I'm Laura. I'm the partner at Attwells Solicitors in charge of private client. I am an expert in wills, probate, powers of attorney and tax. Today I'm going to talk to you about declarations of trust. When you own a property jointly with another person, you can choose to own the property as joint tenants or tenants in common. Joint tenants means that you own the property with no undivided share between you. And this means if one of you should pass away, the other will automatically inherit. Tenants in common means that you can have separate shares in the property. Often these may be equal, but sometimes they may be unequal, in order to define how you may have funded the purchase of the property, what your intentions are in terms of funding the mortgage, and how you are going to split the costs of repair and maintenance of the property. If one of you passes away, there is no automatic right to ownership of the property, and the share for the person who's passed away will pass in accordance with their will. So it is very important to make sure that you make a will to dictate where your share should go. Declarations of trust are often used by people who are cohabiting. This is to make sure they can protect their share should they split up in the future. It is not uncommon, however, for spouses, civil partners, or other family members to use this method of ownership. And this can often be for tax purposes or for any arrangements they've made in their own will. It's important to document why and how you own the property. This will be very important if there should be a dispute in the future as to how the sale proceeds of the property should be split, or what share of the property is within your ownership should you pass away. Within a well-documented deed, we can deal with the money. We can ensure that you have a return of a fixed share that you may have invested in the property before it's split equally between the parties. Or we can alter the percentage split. Or we can deal with how the mortgage is repaid and any return on investment that you may require. Or we can deal with a mixture of all three. It's important to get a professional to help you in drafting a deed. They will consider all eventualities and help to make the right choices for your needs. If you have any questions regarding declarations of trust, please feel free to contact me, Laura Harrington-Rutterford.